Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to share a really quick website that kind of gives you the popular. It actually scrapes. Reddit's website and a bunch of subs for the most popular and talked about tickers. And this is actually kind of where I get my ideas to what tickers, what companies to talk about, which ones are actually growing, and where to get kind of sentiment on everything. Right. So the website is called dayminer.herokuapp.com. Um, you can actually ticket by which subs you actually are looking to actually filter it by, and you can actually have a score. So the score is the overall rating for all of these tickers. But what I usually check are the ones in rising, which are the ones that are starting to be talked about. And it bases us off. Um, it it bases the code and everything showing up off of which one is rising most in popularity based off of time. So you have obviously Tesla's being talked about the most. Neo's being talked about because of tomorrow or what's happening on Monday. GameStop is there because fucking GameStop is always gonna be there. AIN, I haven't looked at AIN. I don't even know. Twitter, Etsy, FCEL. So these are all the popular ones. These are all the ones that are actually rising. X is probably because of um, X is probably because Tesla or Elon Musk wanted to talk about creating X and kind of rooting all of his companies under that parent company. But yeah, this is the website that I use. It kind of gives you a nice gauge on what's the most popular stocks right now on Reddit. It just kind of scrapes the whole website and it kind of gives you a popularity insight and also which ones are starting to be talked about, which is the actual filter that I use the most. So just a quick little golden nugget right there for you.